All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. I do want to say that at the top of the video, because just as we're growing nicely, I think we're at like 415 subscribers. We're almost to 500. We're about 85 away. We've got some nice giveaways lined up. So, like I said, just be the cool guy. Hit that subscribe button. Hang out. Maybe you'll want to watch. I'm going to send out a watch and a watch winder to one of my viewers at 500 subscribers. So be the cool guy. Do that. Hit that subscribe button. Hang out. Okay, so you guys know that I unbox cool stuff on this channel. A lot of subscription box stuff, usually from Watch Gang or Bespoke Post. And then a lot of times just watches that I purchase out in the wild. So today I want to do something a little bit different. A lot of the watches I get from WatchGang.com from their subscription box service, and then some come from their watch wheel, where you can essentially purchase watches, or I'm sorry, purchase points. That gives you access to a wheel of watches. You can either win the watch that you paid for via the points, or you can win a watch of higher value. Is essentially how that works. They're added to a wheel. The wheel is spun. So let's see what we get here. So I bought just kind of an entry-level deal. We're going to see what that gets you, what kind of watch we win. And we'll take a look at it. So something a little bit different than an unboxing, which is what we normally do on this channel. But, some out there that haven't really noticed the watch wheel, or I'm seeing some comments about the watch wheel. They're just kind of curious as to how it works. So I figured I'd showcase that. Hey, listen, maybe I win a Rolex. Who knows? Okay, let's take a look here. Let's get the desk ready as usual. I'll do a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing a Sterling Original, kind of like a, I don't know, like a Breitling lookalike kind of piece. It's kind of a throwaway daily piece to wear, kind of a daily beater. So let's take a look at it here, okay? So this is, as I bring this in for clarity, this is the Watch Gang wheel, okay? And you're essentially going to add watches to that wheel, and you'll hit spin, and then it will pick one, and that's the one you'll win. Real quick, I actually already have the wheel set up, but I'll just show you guys what I chose real quick. Let's see here. So we've got this bit of a Yachtmaster looking type of watch. It's from So & Co, which is kind of a budget brand. But like I said, bit of a clear Yachtmaster clone. Let's see here. Let's scroll down here. That's the first tier. So I put everything there. In terms of the second tier, let's see here as I scroll, I actually chose this one, only because I just sold my my Pepsi watch. It'd be nice to get another one. Kind of miss having a Pepsi watch. This was on a Jubilee. I believe I owned this model before. I think they just renamed it, but does have a nice Seiko movement. Is an overall well-made piece, but just kind of from an unknown brand, but definitely a piece feels nice on the wrist. So let's see here. That's from the second tier. From the third tier, I actually chose this Oceaniva, I don't know. But this one is a GMT. It's quartz, so it's not an automatic GMT, but it is an overall nice looking piece. So I've seen these. They look well made. I'd like to see what that's about. So let's see here. Let's keep scrolling. You can see all the different options here, guys, you can pick in terms of watches. And then in this fourth tier here, I actually chose a watch that I have not owned yet. Well, in this color, but I did, I don't have a Hulk watch. So I did choose this. And that's an out of order, Automatico, automatic watch. In the Hulk color variation. So that's something that I chose there. So, and then lastly, of course, I just went with a Rolex. Okay, so we'll go back to the top of the page here. All those watches are added to the wheel. We'll spin it. We'll see what I get. Okay, let's move this over. We'll go over here. Okay, so here are those watches on this wheel. That's everything I chose. Okay, let's see what we get. It's going to be a short video. But let's see what we get here. Will it be a yay? Will it be a nay? All right, we'll let that spin. And it looks like we got a... Okay, we got the cheapest watch. All right, well, we did not get a Rolex. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Let me know what you think of this whole process. Let me know what you think of the watch that we did win, which is this Yachtmaster looking So & Co watch. But anyway, let me know what you think. Is that a piece you would wear? Would you spin this wheel? Drop everything in the comment section below, please. Give me your honest and unvarnished opinion. This has been Unboxing Chill. Thank you so much for having fun with me. I know it wasn't an unboxing, but I kind of wanted to share that with you guys and get your honest opinions. Thank you so much. Bye.